So hello everyone, Vivek this side. So if you have come on this video, I guess you are also facing the issue of black screen appearing when you're trying to cast your game capture on OBS Studio. Lately, I also had the same issue, so I had to search on the net at various sources, and after trying multiple things, I was able to resolve the issue. So I now have clubbed all the things which I did in order to resolve my issue. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, I will be sharing what all steps I did in order to resolve this. So, you can also do the same thing. So, if you can see, like, same thing was happening with me also. A black screen was appearing, and I was trying to actually cast the Trackmania game on my system, but I was not able to do so. The first thing which you can do is just open the OBS Studio properties. You might be having some shortcut on your desktop. Just open the properties for that. Go to the compatibility tab. Over there, firstly change the compatibility mode. Set it to Windows 7. After that, also check run this program as an administrator. Actually, this has been instructed by OBS only at various instances. OBS stuck, so it's better to always run this as administrator. So this is the first change you have to do. After that, next thing is you have to make sure both OBS and the game you want to cast are using the GPU you are having. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to graphic settings of your system. Over there, firstly you have to add the apps. So you just add both the apps like OBS Studio as well as the game which you want to cast. Then for each of these applications, mark them for high performance and set the GPU. Important thing which is I want to mention here is make sure you keep the same GPU or graphic card for both the things. If you don't have any dedicated graphic card, if you have USD graphics, set that, but make sure both are having the same thing, because while rendering it will try to fetch things from the same adapter. Like this was what I read actually. So after doing this step, third thing is same thing only. Go to actually the control panel of your graphic card system. Over there also make changes in the program setting, same like that. If you don't have any external graphic card, then I guess this should not be required. After that, just restart both the apps and just run the track again. Open the OBS and just add the track mania, and after that I guess your issue should get resolved. It get resolved for me, so I hope it should get resolved for you also. So just give it a try, and if it works for you, do come back and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.